Right, hello again, boys and girls, from Jack's Den. Mr. Kerr, science teacher, here again with Eva.
Hello.
And Brady.
Hi.
Now we're on to experiment 5. We're going to make our own homemade Play-Doh. So, corn flour, 1 cup of corn flour into a bowl. And then 1 cup of shaving foam. Give that a nice shake. Into the cup. Should be equal measurements of corn flour.
So smooth. It's not coming out. Wow.
Okay, so there's 1 cup, and that goes in.
You'll need a spoon to get it out though.
You will need a spoon.
Yeah, spoon. There we go.
And we need to give it a good mix with the spoon.
Oh yeah. Mix it.
Yep, and then pick your favourite food colouring. What are we going with? Blue.
Blue.
Add a few drops in there.
We should have used this orange.
And then continue your mixing.
Yeah.
Right.
Now mix. Yeah. You can do all of it.
Give it a really good mix.
One roller fast. Oh, it's spilling.
Is it blue enough?
Not really. There's only little patches of blue. Here, mix and I'll hold. Yucky, yucky, yucky. It's too crumbly. We need more shaving cream.
Should add some more food colouring in.
Mm-hmm. Okay. There. Oh, that's the blue.
Right, there's 2 ways this could go. If it's too sticky, you need to add some more corn flour. If it's too brittle and it breaks up apart too easily, you need to add more shaving foam.
You might need more shaving foam. What do you mean, guys?
So after you've given it a good mix with a spoon, it's time to get your hands in there and give it a good mix.
Do we bowl? We do a snowball fight. Snowball fight.
And it actually really does feel like snow, actually. More like a snowball, this. So it's a little bit crumbly. You need some more shaving foam in there.
Can I do this shaving foam this time?
There you have your snowball. You can make a snowmen or anything out of that. You can make some figures. This one's breaking up a little bit, so we might need to add some more shaving foam in this. But there we have our homemade Play-Doh, homemade / snowball.
But can I make a snowman?
We'll turn the camera off and then you can make something with it, okay?
Bye bye.
Right, experiment 6. Experiment 6 coming up soon. Bye.